Hey, it's Matt from GolfCartingTV. I am here at the PGA Show with Joe from Eagle Distribution, and we are actually looking at a Lamborghini golf cart. So, Joe, thanks for being with me here today.
Absolutely, Matt.
Tell me a little bit about, maybe start with the background. I mean, how this stuff happened.
Yeah, so great. These are actually the first carts in the U.S. that anybody's seen from Lamborghini. Lamborghini decided they wanted to get back into four wheels after the cart part of the company was sold off to Audi. And they said, well, let's make a golf cart. And they got together, they went through the design process, the mechanical, the aesthetics, and then they were able to connect with a company in India called Kinetic Green, who's been making 2- and 3-wheel carts for about 25 years and sold millions and millions of 2- and 3-wheel carts, and they're doing the manufacturing for them. Okay. So those two came together. I was able to go over to India and see the carts, drive the carts, try to tip the carts over, and said we need to bring these to the U.S. And the plan all came together, and last Tuesday we got the first 6 here into the U.S.
Wow, that's very cool. Well, tell me about some of the details. Tell me walk me through the cart.
Yeah, so right now this is their next generation prototype actually. Again, all the design and styling is Lamborghini. You notice it's got a sunroof in it, which very few carts have sunroofs in them. It's got the styling from the Lamborghini seats. So these seats are designed to mirror the actual Lamborghini seats. The steering wheel is an upgraded steering wheel. Suspension on these things, the steering is just second to none. I don't like tinny carts, if that even makes any sense to most people. But the suspension is beautiful on these, the braking, the steering, put a lot of time and effort into that.
And so I assume lithium is the base?
Lithium is the base.
Okay.
They will sell it to people who want lead acid and lead acid. So this generation is called the Prestige. There is the Genesis line that's already out. Those are the carts on the other side of the booth. Those are the ones we're selling now. And again, lithium is the base, but you could get it in lead acid if you wanted. It actually has the design of the original Lamborghini seats, which people seem to like, and I love it. It's very comfortable for a golfing cart.
Yeah, just sturdy-wise, I mean, it looks like it's built tough. You know?
It really is. It really is. Like I said, I tried the best I could to tip the thing, and I couldn't get it to tip.
Yeah.
And just the materials they're using, the composite materials, you can, you don't hear it. It doesn't sound hollow or plastic. So
very cool.
We're excited.
What about the dash? I love the simplicity of it. Is that intentional and going to be there, or is that a demo thing?
Very intentional,
okay.
very, very simple.
Yeah.
I guess the only thing that people ask us about that they're a little taken aback by is the kill button.
Yeah.
That's because they can do right or left hand steering on these carts. So if you wanted it to be a right hand steer,
really?
You could, and then left hand. So they needed to figure out what to do with this spot, and this, DOT loves this.
So
sure. It's, when it's out, the cart's running, you hit it, the cart slows down. Regenerative braking on it,
wow.
Again, a feature that a lot of people love.
Yeah.
But yeah, very simple, very elegant.
Yeah.
Nice. Got storage in here. This is one of their design features. Still working through what the lights are going to look like and everything, but very simple, very elegant, very stylish is the look they're going for.
And then tell me, we did another video on the wireless charging, but explain to me a little bit about the WiTricity stuff.
Yeah, so the WiTricity stuff, most of these carts, all these carts are offered with wireless charging. The wireless charging is a technology we've actually been working on since about 2008. Started off in automotive. And then people said, well, if I can get it for my car, why can't I get it for my golf cart? Right. There's a receiver that mounts onto the cart itself, and then there's a pad, and we've actually got it right in front of us. The pad sits on the ground, plugs into a standard outlet, and that's it. The system, again, very, very simple. Anytime you pull over the pad, the cart charges. You move the cart off the pad, it stops charging.
I mean, we're talking 6-8 inches, something like that?
6 to 8 inches.
On other carts as well, yeah?
Correct. 6 to 8 inches is the height. We can, for lifted carts, there are risers that we can add. And we also are making a universal bracket that'll work on any carts, and we'll be able to adjust the height of the receiver just to keep it in that optimal 6 to 8 inch range.
Awesome. Joe,
Matt,
Love it. This
pleasure.
is fantastic. Yeah.
Thank you.
Where can somebody find out more information?
Then go to eagle-distro.com. So just eagle like the eagle-distro.com.
Awesome.
All the information's on there. And on the WiTricity side, it's just witricity.com.
Awesome. Cool.
All right.
Again.
Thanks, Matt. Appreciate you.